Hello, it's Genevieve Tabela Norman. I am here in Linköping, the city of Linköping. And then Genevieve. And then this is the as what I told you, this is Istora Coop. Big there I don't understand. Something you grocery here, food, of course, food, something Tupperware like that, but close here, part of their store like that. Oh, what is that, Genevieve Norman? Gasoline station. That is Swedish improvements. As what I told you, their country is rich in terms of people. Gasoline station, something high-tech siya. Parang nag-high-tech na tayo dito. Swedish people or Swedish country is competing. Malapad pa yung ano nila. The place is wide, big. This is part of the place is gasoline station. Doon is, of course, something road, something highway over there. There, Jimmy. Oh, highway there. Look at that. Look at the cars. Highway that. But here, part of their wide store, there is gasoline station. I told you what Swedish people is smart people. You parking your car like that, then you fill your gasoline. They have gasoline station here, Linköping, the city. Linköping. Like that. But close to the store of Coop. The name of the store of Coop, food, something you can buy like that. Oh, so well. How did you know, Genevieve? Why not? I am a Swedish citizen. Why not? Dito, you need to learn, or else you will be lost. You will be die. Amo, Genevieve? Yes, this is another. Nagparking siya dyan kasi part of Indust made Pogwende Landing. Parang ang hirap na maintindihin. Basta, yun na yun. Indust is only for doon made Pogwende Landing. Something only for doon made Pogwende. Maybe something manager siguro. The manager, it must be 1, 2, 3, 4 only. I don't know. Something to recognize siguro. But all I want to tell you is this is their gasoline station. Doon is maganda yung nation nila talaga. The nation is good. Perfect na. Pagdating sa Philippines, shutdown. Guys, dito na lang talaga ako. I will be done now. Bye, friends. Bye.